Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the S&P 500 or the SPX500, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly time frame, I think it's so very clear this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this last wave up is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. Most likely place for a wave 3 to go is at least the 161.8% Fibonacci extension right around the $6,000 area. So I think we're still in a wave 3. I still think this wave 3 is going to extend up at least towards the $6,000 area before we make a wave 4 and make a wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame, no Fibonacci bounce on the weekly, no breaker structure, no engulfing move to the downside tells me that we definitely want to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames because the trend is our friend and the trend is definitely still up. So going down to the daily time frame. Now I don't really have a whole lot of labels out here on the daily because there's really no point because all this is a subdivision of wave 3. Until we get a break of structure to the downside, we are definitely in a wave 3 and there's no reason to do anything except for look for longs at the end of pullbacks. We do have a Fibonacci coming up, a Fibonacci extension, the 138.3, which is if this really is a wave 3, I would say this 138.3 is almost definitely not going to hold, meaning that it probably will bounce from there, but it most likely will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. Even on the 4 hour time frame, we have no breaker structure, no lower high, no engulfing move to the downside. When the monthly, weekly, daily, and 4 hour time frame are all in an uptrend, then you need to continue to look for longs on at least a 1 hour time frame. There is no reason at all whatsoever to even think about going short when every single one of the higher roadmap time frames is telling you to look for longs. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So with all that information in mind, we are definitely still primarily looking for longs. Every single counter trend move should potentially be only a correction to the last wave up. If the market continues to correct and every single move to the downside is only a correction to the move up, like this move down was only a correction to this. This move right here was only a correction to this. This move right here was only a correction to this. So as long as we are continuing to trend, which I believe we are, then this move down that we're currently seeing is most likely just going to be a correction to the last wave up. Most likely it will make some sort of a three-wave corrective pattern down to a Fibonacci retracement level, and most likely we will get another impulsive engulfing move to the upside, showing us another end of a correction and another entry to go long. Like I said, the trend is your friend, and every single higher time frame is telling you to look for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.